Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to enable cookies on your iPhone so websites can function properly and remember your preferences while browsing. Sometimes when you visit a website, it may not work correctly or ask you to enable cookies. Cookies are small files stored on your device that help websites remember your activity, login details, and preferences. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down to the Apps option and tap on it. From here, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Safari, then tap on it. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, inside the Safari settings, scroll down until you find the Privacy Security section. Here, you will see an option called Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. In newer versions of iOS, Apple uses this setting instead of directly mentioning cookies. If this option is turned on, it limits how cookies track your activity across different websites. To enable cookies fully, go ahead and turn off Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. This allows websites to store cookies and function properly. Once you've done that, it's a good idea to close Safari and reopen it. Then go back to the website you were trying to use and refresh the page. This will allow the website to properly load and store cookies on your device. If you are using other browsers like Chrome, the steps are similar. You would go into the browser settings and adjust cookie preferences there. That's it. You have successfully enabled cookies on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.